Hello everybody, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. It's Thursday, December 19th, show number 594. Please write this in your notebook. Here are the two words for today. The first is a vehicle you call in an emergency. The second one means it belongs to you. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The ambulance is here. The ambulance is here. Ambulance. Did you get it right? This vehicle is called an ambulance. Now let's make a flashcard for ambulance. Please write ambulance up here in the top left corner. Down in this corner, CT1. This means City, level 1. Over here the number 1 out of 50. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Can you say it? Ambulance. Remember the J sounds like a Y. Ambulance. Now we will learn word number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. My cat is cute. My cat is cute. My cat is cute. The word we are learning is my, M-Y. It means the cat that belongs to me. Now let's make a flashcard for my. Please write my, M-Y, up here in the top left corner. The category down here is I, me, my, 21. Please write that down here. And the number over here is 11 out of 21. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Here it is. Can you say it? My. Class is over. It's time to go. Today we learned, that's right, ambulance. You have to call one in an emergency. And the second one? My. Very good. What's your name? See you tomorrow. And if you're high level, here are the words for level 2 today. The first is a place where you can see nice paintings and sculptures. The second one means together with. And the last one means to defeat somebody when you play a game. See you tomorrow, everybody. Bye-bye. And if you are new, welcome to our vocabulary school. We learn 2 words every day. This is level 1, and we write them on paper, flashcards, and remember them forever. This is a 2-year course with 2 words every day. We have classes until December 25th. And we begin again on January 1st. You can learn English here. You only need a notebook, a pen, and flashcards. That's it. Our schedule is rotating, so you can join anytime. Please learn these. We use them very much. And when you make the card, please write your language on the other side of the card. And remember it forever. You can meet a partner with this hashtag and practice the words that you learn. My name is Vinny. See you tomorrow.